Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to easily pin a message in Telegram chat on your PC. Pinning messages can help you keep important information at the forefront of your conversations. Let's dive in. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're in, navigate to the specific conversation from the chat list where you want to pin a message. Next, simply right-click on the message that you wish to pin. A menu will appear with various options. Among them, click on Pin. A pop-up window will appear, giving you the option to also pin for a specific contact. If you want the message to be pinned for all participants, you can skip this step. To finalize the pinning process, just click on the Pin button. Fantastic! You have successfully pinned a message in your Telegram chat on PC. Now, whenever you access the chat, the pinned message will be prominently displayed for easy reference. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.